Alright, what a day to pick to go ride to the island on the rainiest day in months. So here we go. Worst day ever. Worst day I've ever ridden in the rain. Now I gotta wait here for the ferry. Oh, it was fun. So what are you up to today, Eli? In this torrential downpour. The worst rain we've ever seen in months. I had to pick today to go ride my bicycle. Including trailer onto a ferry and over to the island. Perfect day, just perfect. I'm kind of glad they didn't cancel the sailing because they were hinting on canceling it because of the weather conditions. You can't see back there, but those are pretty high waves. Anyways. Just waiting for the ferry right now. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thank you very much. I'm good. well, on the side of the road here, under an awning, and it is absolutely pouring rain. I'm not even sure where I am, but there's my bike, there's my trailer. I was prepared for everything. I was prepared for the weather, breakdowns, flats, just basically everything, except I wasn't prepared for one thing. So about an hour out of getting out of the ferry, my chain decided to explode in three pieces. Not just one link, 3 links. So I can't just repair it on the side of the road. I'm gonna need to replace the chain. I don't think you'll be able to see it. Let's try. See these here? They're basically coming out of their rivets, and they're like they're not straight anymore. So that's pretty bad. It's pretty catastrophic. I can't keep going, but I'm gonna have a sandwich and I'm gonna figure things out. We'll see. Here's an update. I'll just show you where I am. So it looks like I'm in a hotel, I guess. But I'm not. I got rescued by my friends. They're actually my clients, well, my friends. And I'm here for the weekend. I was rescued at the side of the road. So I'm here. That's the update. Hey everyone, just got off the ferry from a weekend of riding out on the island. It's Vancouver Island, in torrential downpour, worst rain and wind I've ever ridden through. But it was all fun. Well, maybe fun's not the greatest word for it.
So other than the broken chain, how was the ride?
Oh man, that was the worst rain downpour and the worst wind I've ever ridden through. Oh my goodness. And all I could do was laugh at myself.